Tom&Gi, good morning. I was very ill yesterday, so I had to have a day off the show because I was very scared that I was going to be sick, but I'm feeling better today. So I have 2 shows today, as it is a Wednesday, but it is 5 minutes to 11 and I don't need to leave for the next half an hour, so I'm having a cup of tea and I'm watching Mr. Cheesy Pops on my laptop. He is a guy called Maxwell Glick, who I recently discovered, and he lives near Disneyland and just goes to Disneyland lots and lots and lots and lots, and is a massive Disney fan, and most of his videos are based around Disney stuff, and I think he's great. Like, he's like the happiest guy ever, and it's so contagious, and his videos are so good. And he followed me yesterday on Twitter, and that was really exciting. But anyway, in the next 15 minutes I should probably get ready, so bye. It's really, really hot in here, so I need to turn this on. Come on. Come on. Oh, no, I think I'm gonna have to empty it. Yeah, oh, bum. This is one of these really annoying machines that I have to empty. I did draw a face on it, so it's okay. Merrily we roll along, 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 merrily. I'm off to, this is what my hair looks like underneath my wig cap, and my wig cap has a massive hole in it, so I've got to go get a new one. But I look a little bit like an alien. Hey boys.
Hello. Hey.
This is Luke, Matt and Paul. Hello,
Hiya.
Paul.
Hello.
Hair's looking good.
Thank you.
I've just walked in and seen your FIFA scores. Do you have a thing up here?
It's not a fair representation.
It's not fair.
Oh, is it not? This is right.
Can't say that.
Why?
Where's it going?
Jurassic Park.
What is that?
This is my Jurassic Park, and it's all organised. I've got my pterosaurs.
Luke, how much money have you spent on that game?
Oh no, you don't spend any money on it.
Haven't you? Are you sure?
I haven't. No, I don't.
Really?
Yeah.
Me and Luke have been talking about starting up playing Pokemon again, and he's just didn't you buy this the other day?
Yeah.
It's got lightsaber styluses. That's too cool.
Zoom, zoom.
The sound effects come separately. You have to do those yourself. You alright?
What are you doing?
Doing a bit of filming for the vlog?
You filming me?
Yeah.
Hello.
Photo bomb! Photo bomb! It's recording. This is Zoe.
Okay.
Zoe Duano.
Wait. Look what Carrie has taught me to do.
Oh yeah. We've been crocheting in the room, and I taught Zoe
says
how
you'll
to
have a
do it.
blanket in about 5 years' time. How many blankets are you making for your wedding?
But look!
She's a genius.
Zoe, can I just talk about your costume at the moment?
What?
You are half whore, half farm girl.
That's a huge invite, Carrie. Wow.
Is it?
I mean,
Is
half
it?
whore, half film girl.
But your whore
Yes.
is my book colours.
Yes, look.
You're yellow and purple.
She's, you know, I also have some drawn on some boobs because I have none.
Bye, Zoe. I think a lot of people think that I'm like really profesh backstage, and that, you know, I go through like lines and stuff, and I think I've said this before, but I don't. I crochet, and I watch Disney videos by I'm Sarah Snitch on YouTube, because I can't get enough of Disney. I'm about to have my call, so I should probably...
This is your call, Business Fletcher. Your call, Business Fletcher. Thank you.
Should probably go downstairs. Today I look like this, and I shall see you next Wednesday.